Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to share location on Android so your friends and family can find you with ease. This built-in feature is perfect for safety or meeting up in crowded places. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open your Google Maps application, which is the standard navigation tool pre-installed on almost every Android device for tracking and directions. Step 2 requires you to click on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your personal account settings and various sharing features. Step 3 is to click on the location sharing option, which is the specific menu designed to manage who can see your real-time movement on the map. Step 4 is to click on Share Location, an action that initiates the setup process and prepares your phone to broadcast your current coordinates. Step 5 involves you to select how long you want to share your location, giving you the choice between a set time limit or keeping it on until you manually turn it off. Step 6 is to click on the specific contact you want to share it to, which sends them a secure link so they can view your position in real time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful mobile tips.